How to use loops in Python? There are two types of loops, a for loop and a while loop. We use a for loop when we know exactly how many times we are going to repeat. We use a while loop when we want to keep going until something happens. There are two ways to use a for loop. First way is to use a range. For I in range 5, print I. I will start from 0, go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Second way to use a loop is to go through a list. For example, I have a list of fruits. For every F in fruits, print F. It will print each fruit one by one. Now let's look at a while loop. We want user to tell us what he wants to do. If we choose to exit, we will stop the loop. User input equal to empty first. While user input not equal to exit, we will keep going. So user input equal to input. Please enter your option. Enter exit to stop. So print, you chose to, okay, let's run this. We ask user to key in the option. Let's say I want to continue. Continue doesn't equal to exit, it will keep asking what I want to do until I enter exit. When I enter exit, this condition become false, so the loop will stop. Another way to use a while loop is similar to a for loop. We can do a countdown equal to 5. While countdown is greater than 0, I'll print it out. Then I'll decrease countdown by 1. So this way we are counting down from 5 until we reach 1. These are the two types of loops. As you can see, when we know exactly how many times we want to repeat, we can use a for loop for I in range, or we can use a while loop similar to this code. But for loop is shorter. When we don't know how many times we are going to repeat, we can't use a for loop. We have to use a while loop. Subscribe to this channel for more coding tutorials. Happy coding! What other topics are you interested to learn? Drop a comment below. I might make a video for you.